Hey guys, so yesterday I noticed some webbing on one of my indoor begonias, and I looked closer, and there were two little caterpillars, again, inside. This plant hasn't been outside in ages, and I noticed all these little black dots. That is caterpillar poop. It's also called frass. They look exactly like little poppy seeds. So that means that there is still a caterpillar on this plant and I have to find it. Ugh. Where are you? Where are you? Look, I think over here, it might even be coming from this one. No. I see some webbing in there. Yeah, because I pulled everything out. I cleaned all this yesterday. See, I'm shaking these leaves and there's really nothing coming off of. Just seeing if I can tell which plant it is in. Actually, again, like there was two yesterday and I caught them and threw them outside to the birds or just to whatever. They're very small, and again, I'm pretty sure there's some type of moth caterpillar. They look a little bit like one of the cabbage loopers, but I am so determined to find it. Look, see how that leaf is like rolled up? Let's unroll it. I'm doing this with one hand. Where are you? I'm just gonna pull it off. Ah, look right there. There's two! Ah, where'd y'all come from? I think I squished one. Sorry. Cover you up for now. There's one right there. Look. So that is... No. No. Alright. Let me take care of this real quick. Got it. And it's going outside into the street where the birds like to look for critters. And I'll clean that up again and then check back later and see if there's any more that I missed. I really hope. Oh, this is inside. This is inside. I do not need pests inside. But yeah, it's the only thing I can think of is that a moth got in the house or something and laid eggs. And then they hatched. Alright, well, today's lesson is if you see little black poppy seed looking things around your indoor plants, there's a great chance that there are little caterpillars of some sort or another, and then you'll go and you'll look for like signs of webbing. Caterpillars, man. They're in the webbing and stuff. Oh yeah. Ah, look, there's another one. Hold on. Trying to hide. Got it. It's going in the cup. Yep, two in there now. And a dead one. Okay. So 5? I would have had 5. Don't want no 5 dang caterpillars. Alright. I'm going to continue to inspect this one, clean that stuff up, check back to see if I see any new frass appear. Come over and inspect the neighboring begonias. They seem to be okay. So cool. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Go look for caterpillar poop. Talk soon.